St. Francis University's Center of Excellence for Remote and Medically Underserved Areas, CERMUSA, is assisting in disaster recovery. CERMUSA's Preliminary Damage Assessment Reporting, or PDAR, system is designed to help first responders in the initial stages of a natural or man-made disaster event. After an event, such as a tornado or flood, strikes an area, first responders such as policemen or firemen must generate a damage assessment report in order to determine the level of support needed to recover from the disaster event. In many areas, this data is gathered on paper, which delays the time that support services can be brought in and activated. In response, CERMUSA partnered with Monmouth University's Rapid Response Institute and created the PDAR information system, which digitizes this process using a mobile data collection application installed on an Apple iPad and reports the data back to a command center in real time. A mobile user, typically a policeman or other emergency operations staff member, will visit an area after a disaster event and begin collecting data on the iPad by observing the situation and interviewing the property owners. He or she collects data on each property, noting the property's address, a category of damage, minor, moderate, or major, an estimated dollar amount of damage, as well as a count of displaced, injured, and sheltered individuals from the property. Additionally, a photograph of the damage can be taken with the iPad. This information is sent in real time to a web server that can create maps of the damaged area, as well as aggregate the data in order to create a preliminary damage report to be used when requesting a disaster declaration or support from external entities. Command and control personnel utilizing the web interface can view specific damage information for a property, a street, or an entire neighborhood affected by the disaster event. Photographs from specific properties can also be viewed. This system was field trialed by representatives from various New Jersey disaster recovery organizations on July 28, 2011 in Long Branch, New Jersey. 25 properties were assessed in a simulated disaster event by emergency preparedness and response personnel. The results of the field trial were extremely positive and provided CERMUSA and Monmouth University with valuable feedback on system usefulness and potential improvements. This system was designed by St. Francis University's CERMUSA department and Monmouth University's Rapid Response Institute through a partnership established in 2006. The application was created by Aaron Vizzini and Kevin Richardson, both computer science students at St. Francis University.